Welcome, y'all, to another episode of Messy Queen DIY with me, your host, Miss Messy. Sorry I'm talking so softly. Mama's sleeping on the couch. So, today we're making glitter foam earrings. Glitter foam is an affordable, adorable way to make truly outrageous accessories. Now, as you can tell from all the comments, I've had a lot of requests for this tutorial. Too many, in fact. Facehugger69, you need to get offline and get a hobby. Everyone on the street is always messing with me like, Messy, where'd you get those earrings? How much did they cost? Why haven't you paid me back? Messy, why are your earrings so sparkly? Messy, why is your dandruff just glitter? Well, put your thinking lashes on because it's time to learn a thing or two. Today we're making 2 sets of earrings, starting with the lightning bolt. Rummage in a dumpster and find glitter foam, scissors, an X-Acto knife, glue gun, also a pencil, and a ruler. Here are the clip-on earrings I'm going to use for the lightning bolts. Alright, so now I'm drawing a lightning bolt on the yellow and cutting it out. I'm layering the foam because I want the same design on my left and my right ear. Use an X-Acto knife to get in those tight edges. Now let's outline this in red. I'm tracing a centimeter around the lightning bolt. It's basically the same process, cutting out 2 lightning bolts, but this time they're red. Okay girls, the backs of the earrings will also be black, so we're cutting out 4 pieces this time. Now it's time to start assembling piece by piece. Just a reminder, glitter foam is very sticky. But like Mama says, if you make a mistake, lie and say it was intentional. Hot glue the clip-on to the back of the glitter foam. Shocking. High voltage. Now let's make our Prism rainbow earrings. To make them dangle, you'll need jump rings and eye pins. My earring has a little chain with a big ring on the bottom. Grab the white glitter foam and cut out a long rectangular piece. Remove the backing and fold it in half. Cut out a triangle, leaving the pretty fold. Cut long strips of colorful foam. Fold them in half and make a strong crease. Remove the backing and place the eye pin on one side. Sandwich the eye pin in between the glitter foam. Attach the pieces to the dangly part of the earring. A little dab of hot glue, and you're done! Glitter it. Glitteracy. Thank you for watching another episode of Messy Queen DIY! Okay man, I'm happy to announce the results of the Date My Momma Contest. Because, as you know, my mama has been looking for love ever since the cats were confiscated. And you'd think it'd be easy to find love because she's always at the bar, but I should know finding flaming hot love is difficult. So I figured with the tremendous reach of my YouTube tutorial series, maybe I could help my mama find love. Now, I had dozens and dozens of late-in-life men who responded to this contest, which, just as a reminder, is to take my mama out of the house on a date on the weekend for at least 5 hours. So let's find our lucky guy! And the winner is Facehugger69. Yes, police, I'd like to report voter tampering. No, mama. Go back to sleep. Not tonight, mama. No, mama. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time, y'all. Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. Not tonight, mama.